Hey! Ride safe and loud. Let's check out the main thing. These Velcro straps that hook on, that mounts to your steering column. And so today turned out to be a beautiful day. There was Hurricane Hannah that was ruining the whole weekend, but we're gonna be doing a last minute ride. So I am gonna be installing this PWC brackets brand speaker, and we're gonna see how it sounds. So all you have to do is just remove this screw, and then it'll remove this plastic. You won't need it anymore once you have this bracket on. And then there's gonna be some screws underneath that will hold this bracket, okay? So give me a second while I remove this, because I only got one hand. It's out, just remove this. On the front, I use the T30 to remove the front screw. And then for these hex screws, I'll be using a 13 socket. So right here, I'm just going to mark, if you can see, let's see, right there, I'm gonna mark where my bars are at, just so I can get my bars back to the way I have them, because I like the way that they're positioned already. Should have just brought out the drill. Too lazy to go get it. So much easier with the drill. The bolts are out. As you can see, the bars have already turned downward, so that's why I marked it. Now I need to install this here underneath, and then we'll be set to go. Then I put some Loctite on there to make sure that these screws are not going to come loose when I'm jumping or doing some aggressive riding. And you see how I marked it so that it will line up again. Hand screwed them in to make sure that I don't cross thread, and then I will use my socket wrench to get them all tightened down. I like to hit it a little bit with the impact drill. Make sure this thing is on. All right, this is how the bracket looks when it's on. All right, this is how it looks installed. Now, of course, let's see. So let's see how it's gonna sound on the water. All right, y'all come right away with me. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, we're here on the water. We're here on Lake Houston. As you can see, the weather was not in my favor. I guess the early bird gets its worm. So we ended up going to Lake Houston Brewery, had some good food, had a couple drinks, just hanging out, and then waited for the weather to clear up. Now it's clear up. Now it's time to test out this speaker. Let's hear how it sounds without the wet jet exhaust going on, because I know it's pretty loud.
Just do a slow motion, whatever you motion, whatever you do with slow motion.
Right, sounds pretty loud. I mean, I don't know if you can turn it the other way so that you can hear it better. How can y'all hear it? What do y'all think? Can y'all hear it really good? Even with the exhaust going on?
Knock them out the box. With power whip, shop around the clock. Holes in the dip, pop around.
Say it again? Oh, so the Seadoos don't come with cup holders. That's the downfall, man. But we've got toadfish. I'm gonna show y'all toadfish, what toadfish can do on our cooler cups. Speakers those other times, so is it fair for me to say like, oh, about having that or not and everything? But BRP speakers. I'm not hearing that right now. I have it changed orientation right now, so facing this way, so let's see how it sounds this way. I think it sounds better.
Get up now, hit the floor. Pick it up now, hit the floor. Pick it up now,
Okay. I'll give it to that. Maybe I had it wrong the whole time. I can hear it a little better. School's riding on the side of his The speaker was supposed to be like this. It is sounding a little bit louder. Oh, there goes Karina. Let me go get her. It does sound a little bit louder whenever I'm riding, so that's okay. She likes to ride in a smaller group setting where it's rivers controlled versus the open water and where it's very choppy. The orientation wrong, I guess, because I figured it's supposed to fit directly in the brackets. It does sound pretty good when going at 30s. You start losing distortion by like high 30s. In the 40s, I really can't hear it, but then again, I do have an exhaust. The bracket makes it very convenient. Now, this sounds, as far as going, saying that it's better than the BRP radio, the BRP speakers, I wouldn't go as far as saying that. Right there. I was like, you better not hit those damn hogs. Why? You're so mean. So mean, so mean. Poor hogs. They're running for their damn life. Just haul ass. Bye. yourself? Madame, are you enjoying yourself? Oh,
Show me that shit, show me love, show me love, show me that shit, show me love, show me love. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up, wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up. Show me that shit, show me love, show me love, show me that shit, show me love, show me love. Wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble on the dick, wobble up, wobble up.
Wobble on the dick, gobble up, gobble up. Players had to laugh, cookie cow, better bring the lock. All of the dudes had to cheat, had the luck. When I was
run your ass over!
when I cut it off, went to the club and guess what I see? A motherfucker that was stunting on me. I want another bitch, you get the thing.
Show me what you do on the big stage, cause I'm headed to Miami for a big rage. I'm on 10 and 11, it's been 6 days. Yeah, but she gon' ride the pipe in 26 ways. The way you bounce on it, I might have to fuck around and spend a house on it. Down on deal, now I'm spinning like a mouse on it. Swipe the platinum, I might empty my accounts on it. She said a man's a jerk, so I call them all the mans that work. Shit, I made a curse. Show me that shit,
Is going? You going good? Oh, when you were going through those, I mean, oh shit. What snake? I don't see no snake. I think you're making up stuff. Yeah, look at, oh shit. Who's that? Who's that? Is that April? Okay guys, let's get some music. So I'm here, I'm gonna be doing this review. So when I did the first review, I didn't know that there was different modes. There's 3 different modes that you click on the top and it gives you different tunes. So I'm gonna give it another shot at this and try to hear, let's see if we can hear it at different speeds. And then also, they told me a little trick, David told me a little trick with PWC brackets to turn down the music and then turn it up because it's on a safety, like so it won't be so loud if your speakers are already turned up, the volume. Speaker, turn up the mode and turn up the volume on the phone. All right, we're gonna get over there now. Pause this for a second. All right, so as you can hear, I could hear it going like a 50. I mean, I couldn't really hear it or hear the words or anything like that, but I can hear the music. Now I'm gonna let y'all test it down the other way, the river, because it could be wind picking up that way, but so you can hear, get a fair share of listening to it. I mean, for this price, I would say you can't expect too much for a $150 speaker, but it does the job. I would say it does the job. It has a nice bracket, makes it so much easier having the bracket and everything. Now that we're back on land, I can give you a quick summary of this PWC bracket Soundwav speaker. Power button, 3 different modes: play, turn down the volume, turn up the volume, and Bluetooth to, you know, you can hear the mic and everything. this is a good speaker. Now, if you don't want to drill holes into your ski, spend $1,000, spend a lot of money, spend $750 for the Trixx one, this is the best bang for your buck, a $150 speaker. It is pretty loud. It can do what it's supposed to do. Now, after I've changed the modes and everything, I would say I can hear the volume about 40s. It's decent sounding and everything, but I could not hear it in high 40s and 50s. Again, I have an exhaust. It could be wind conditions. It could be a lot of different things. If you want it to be louder, you're gonna have to spend a lot of money. But this is a really good speaker with the brackets. Now, I like the speaker, but I love the bracket. The bracket idea is very good. Keeps the speaker in place and everything. The only recommendation I would make is I noticed that there were some issue, the speaker started looking like it's messing up in the back with the material. So I may be putting cushion on the brackets to prevent it from further tearing or damaging the back of the speaker. But so David with PWC brackets is giving a discount code to my followers and subscribers. The discount code will be down below in the description and probably down right here in the corner. I know the video was pretty long, but I wanted y'all to be able to hear the speaker well in different types of settings and environments and speeds and everything like that. So again, if you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell, like and comment. If you would like me to do a review on any other products, let me know. Again, see y'all on the water.